Hey folks, this is my orchard videos. Well, I got a surprise for you guys. It's sitting right behind me. Let's have a look. What do you think? Hey? Pretty nice and shiny. See, I was right. It is the 2620. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Hard to believe, I actually ended up getting a new little tractor. So, I like nice things too, so. Anyway, so we're going to go over the tractor here, tell you guys some of the things I got on it, and go from there. Alright. Hey folks, well, anyways, the tractor here, it's, I'll turn the light on here. It's a B2620. Has a nice loader on it. What do they call it? It's LA 36.4. Just a cute little devil, eh? Yeah, pretty cool. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty nice. So it's built real well. I mean, it is Kubota. I mean, they do a pretty good job of building stuff. You know, so just lay you down right here. I gotta turn this fan on. It's hot in here. Anyways, this tractor originally came with the AG tires on it, and it wanted the industrials on it. Because the problem is with the AG tires, they chew up the ground too much, and I don't like that. I like these tires like this. It's nice flat tread, better on the surface, and they're a lot more skookum tire anyway. So, in my opinion. So yeah, it's built pretty good. Nice heavy duty loader on it. You know, it's nice and beefy. So it's amazing that the steering link hasn't changed. Same steering link is the same as it was on the other one. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Don't know if it's adjustable steering or what it is. Probably not. There's the gauges. I think the steering is actually adjustable. I have to read the instructions on this tractor yet. I just got it a couple hours ago. So, hydrostatic transmission. Here's the brakes. Here's the clutch. Posi lock. A few things I don't know about. Let's see. Gonna have to read about it and get familiar with the tractor itself. There's some controls here for other implements. Loader. It's kind of nice. I made a change in the handle a bit because it is a bit high. Bring it down a little bit. We'll see. There's 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, the back lift, 3-point hitch lift, the handle. You know, pretty cool. The seat I'm gonna have to change. Because of my backhoe, I'm going to have to get a different kind of seat for it. But we'll work on that and figure something out. And here's the glove box. And I should open it up because I need to read the manual. To read that, there is some pins. Oh wow, they give me some pins. Cool. Anyways. Here's the PTO. It's 2-speed, of course, 540 and 960. It's kind of cool. It has the 3 ranges, which is really cool. I really like that. 3 gear ranges. Low is handy for doing tilling and mow or whatever. Not too sure. We'll see. Anyways, I'm used to on the regular big tractors you either got low and high. So let's play around with it and see. Cup holder for putting your pop in there. It's kind of handy. Triangle. You know, we got enough freaking triangles to last me a million years. Take that thing out of there. I don't need that on there. Okay, what else? We had to take the rumps off, but hey guys, welcome back. My camera conked out, the batteries ran out, so anyways, continuing on the review and the look on the tractor. Yeah, it's pretty skookum. That's a pretty skookum tractor. It's very similar to actually the B2620 I had. Very similar. Has a pretty skookum loader on it, and it is the front here is actually a little bit. It's actually almost as close as the B2620 Kubota I had. So yeah, it's pretty skookum. You know, very has a lot of the features the other one had, so that's pretty good. So has a nice big bumper on it, and this is actually the cool part. I've seen some of the other Kubotas. Oh, look at this. I guess the BX series has the radiator in the steering column. This one's in the front. Very similar to the other tractor I had. So the battery's in the front, like a big tractor. And yeah, it's very simple. So it's pretty amazing. They kept these engines in these things forever, and they just keep on going. Very same design and very similar. I think it's actually the same block, I believe. I think so. Little three-cylinder diesel. They go forever, I think so. Yeah, it's a good little machine. So yeah, pretty happy. And I know some people were saying that you know, Kubota uses metal paneling and stuff like that. Well, you know, even though it's from Japan, I guess they're built pretty well. So you know, whatever. I like it. It's cool. Oh, let's just hold on a minute. So yeah. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll have to do another video for you guys because I have to pull the loader off so I can mow around the yard and out in the orchard and stuff. And with the loader, it's a pain in the ass since I'm able to take it off now, which is kind of cool. So it's a really nice feature, take on off. So yeah, she's pretty cool. Oh, I took the rumps off, or roll bar. So my blade was giving me some heck, so it's not perfect, not perfect cut. I like try to get things as perfect as I can, but it didn't come out too perfect. So whatever. When I get time, I'll have to take the grinder and grind this flat and put a cap in there. So it's not gonna be outside anyway. It's gonna be in here, so in the shop. So anyway, yeah. Something else I did happen to notice, which was kind of interesting. I should actually pay more attention to that, but the 3-point hitch arms are the same as my other tractor. Almost exactly the same thickness and everything. So I thought that was kind of weird, but well, whatever. It is what it is. The other tractor had these upper arms here on it for 25 years, so they didn't break, so doesn't matter. So there's lots of mounting points on here for different implements, and that's kind of cool. And the arms, I guess they're category 1 3-point hitch arms. So I don't really, for me, I really don't care too much about category this and category that. I mean, I'm used to, most of the stuff around here is either 3/4 inch or 7/8 hole, so it's not a big deal to me. So, you know, this is 1/2 inch, maybe bigger than 1/2 inch, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty skookum. So, and here's the mower. This is 2000. What the hell is this one? I think it's a 60-inch. I think. So I think I wanted the 72-inch, but this is fine. This is plenty enough for me. Plenty enough. I've never had a finishing mower ever in my life for mowing the orchard, so this is going to be very interesting. And it's, I mean, you know, be able to get through these through the rows. I mean, maybe some rows would be, you know, 2 passes, some rows would be 1 pass, and other rows would be 3 passes, because it'll leave like a little strip in the middle. So not sure yet. I may at a later date is change the hitch and have it so it's a little bit offset. So it's a dual blade setup. So we'll see. I'll try it out, see what happens. But I have a hunch I'm going to be modifying the hitch over to one side a little bit. So basically this edge will be further, basically this edge here will be in line with the back tire. So just offset it, gets in the trees a little better. So, but we'll see. We'll try it out, see how it is, and you know, it's gonna be trial and error with the mower. I'm used to using my big old CO80 mower, offside mower, so we'll see how it goes. It's quite a bit better, better mower than the John Deere. It's you know, this is it's good quality. Yeah, pretty good thick quality stuff. So Farm King, it's a pretty good brand. I think it's Chinese or something, but you know, whatever, it works. So here's the gearbox on that one. Once I get once I do some more reading on all these attachments and stuff, I will go through it and explain things a little more in detail. But this is the really cool thing I like. You're gonna find this really cool. You see the spindles here? You take this clip off here, you lift up the machine, right? And you put these spacers under here, raises the mower up. No, I thought that's pretty slick. That's a pretty ingenious system. So you don't have to worry about having all the weight on the hitch. Have the weight on here, let it roll around, and you raise it up as far as you want. So it's pretty cool. That's a really good system. I like that. So another system I seen that they used on here was square stock, square tubing. It had a pin go through it, and they adjusted it that way. But this is slick. I like this. This is way more convenient. This spacer system. Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. So, and I also took the signal lights off the sides because, you know, I'm not driving on the highway. I don't need signal lights going down the orchard. So I need to put on my weed sprayer attachments, the hookup for the valve and the boom here somewhere. Probably end up putting the boom on here somewhere. Bolt under here, something down here or something. So I don't want to be drilling anything into it right now. So get some hours on it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I think after you guys see this video, hopefully people who see this video will really take Kubota seriously, and you'll be using these things for all sorts of farming, not just hobby farm, vineyard, orchard, and that kind of stuff. And this is what they can be used for. So, you know, I plan on putting a set of forks in the front. On here I have a set of forks in the back there. I'm going to modify to put in the front. I do have I have these forks right here which bolt on the bucket, but it's a hassle doing it that way. But I mean, if I do it that way, I will. Depends on money and time, right? So yeah, yeah, I definitely think that the compact tractor era is gonna be more and more popular. I think because these things are affordable, and they're just little mighty machines, and you know, they're very handy. So yeah, I think the compact tractor world is gonna be in for a lot of business, I think. Anyways, I'm going to take the loader off here tomorrow, and maybe I'll do a little video on how that comes off, and we'll adjust them more together, and show you how to adjust it, the height wise, and then we'll do some mowing tomorrow afternoon, I guess, or evening. So, but now I'm just too excited to be doing any other work on it. Like I said, I took the roll bar off, and that's it for now. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna have to put a little farm rider decal on there, possibly. We'll see. Spiders on my hat. Anyways, I want to tell you guys something. I had the John Deere. I had it, and I just wasn't happy with it. I don't know. I tried it out and up and down the rows and mowing and stuff like that, and I just I thought, well, you know, what's the point? I need something that I can do anything with. You know, this little tractor can do anything with it. And the John Deere riding tractor, it's only good for mowing grass or excuse me, got peach fuzz in my throat. You know, the Kubota, this one here is so handy, right? Any of these with the buckets on them are handy because I mean you can do anything with them. The backhoe on the back, blade, pallet forks, whatever, and you do anything with these things, right? You do anything a big tractor can do, this can do almost. I mean, using common sense, of course. But the John Deere, gave it back. Just not very useful, and you know, it's good. It's good if you're strictly mowing a field. You know, you don't need it for anything else other than mowing grass, then that's fine. But this is plenty for me. So John Deere give me my money back, and you know, a lot of hits on that one video, so it's kind of cool. A lot of people are really interested in John Deere, but as you might have seen as my videos, I orange tractors. So why mix with a bunch? So alrighty, come back for another video on this tractor here next time here, and apologize to the John Deere guys that I didn't keep the John Deere riding lawn tractor. It's good, but not good enough for me. I'm picky. So, anyways, all right. Anyways, you guys comment, subscribe, and all that fun stuff on YouTube, And there'll be more stuff to come, and you'll be seeing a lot more of this tractor doing all sorts of different things on the farm. And we'll do other attachments. I still have to hook up my backhoe on the back of the tractor, get all the brackets and stuff made for it, and make a seat, of course, and other things. So yeah, so we'll take the bucket off tomorrow, and we'll do some mowing, have the camera rolling, and get this thing all set up, ready to mow, and I'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and peace out.